Well, hello there, YouTube. I don't know why I start coughing every time I talk. But today's Saturday, November 5th. We had a big storm come through yesterday, even a tornado warning. Didn't get it, but good, nice and cooled off now. It's only like, well, this says 68, but I pulled it out of the shop. I don't think it's quite 68. Got my mesh jacket on and a fleece underneath that. I even put on some gloves. Feels good in the sun, but I knew I'd be moving, so it cools off quite a bit when you're moving. I'm not riding the Goldwing. I gotta get it safety inspection. I go up here and see if it's open. If it is, I'll come back and get it and take it up there and get it inspected, and then I gotta register it with this county versus the county we came from. So it's like buying a tag all over again. I don't know where that came from. Over there, the wind was blowing. So I'll ride up there and see if that's open, and I don't know if they close at noon on Saturday. Can't get there during the week. It's just right up the street, actually. They do motorcycles. It's actually pretty cool. I forgot I had the GoPro on. It's actually, I closed my lid. It's actually kind of cool out. I think it's only in the 50s. My legs are chilly. The rest of me's not. But I got warm clothes in this thing. I'll put them on if I have to. If I go for a little bit longer ride. I got sweats on, but air goes right through them. I'm glad I put the gloves on. They actually help. This is funky here. You got to look behind you to make sure nobody's exiting. I think that place is up here. I'm going to pull in and see if how late they're open. I'll come back with the Goldwing. My wife and I went to Bucky's Cafe up here in Caddo Mills. It's so good. Breakfast is incredible. You got the Bucky's Big. I got 4 biscuits and gravy, 2 sausage, 2 bacon, 2 eggs, and then 2 huge pancakes. But we didn't even touch the pancakes. We just get them in a box and bring them home. We'll eat them later. So good though. Man, that place is packed on a Saturday morning. Which is understandably. Good home cooking, small place. I think that motorcycle place is right up here. Yep, I'm gonna turn this off. I don't like long videos. I can't watch them if they're really long. Mine are short, so probably better.